Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. Let me start by saying just a few words about my own background. I am a pharmacy student of Akbar FF Bandung. My name is Andini Nurrahima. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. As you can see on the screen, our topic today is honey for your healthy life. This presentation is particularly relevant for those of you from Indonesia who are interested in learning more about the health benefits and use of honey. In addition to presenting the benefit of honey, I will also briefly discuss the part of speech found in the text, particularly by highlighting and explaining the meaning of each noun used, and I will explain each part of speech in the next slide. This is the title. Honey is one of the key to physical health. This is the part of speech. Noun, verbs, adjective, pronoun, preposition, and article. In addition, I will explain the various types of parts of speech, one which is the noun. Noun is a word used to name, like people such as teacher, places such as school, things such as book, animals such as cat, ideas or concepts such as freedom or healthy. There are a part of speech from the previous slide. The external noun, honey. The meaning in English, a natural sweet liquid made by bees, often consumed for health or as a sweetener. Okay, this is the next slide. I will presentation about my material. This is the description, like a definition, contains substance or active compounds, the benefit of efficacy, use, and application. The definition: honey is a natural substance produced by bees from flower nectar. Beyond its sweet taste, honey has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine due to its rich content of beneficial bioactive compounds. This is the part of speech, noun or kata benda. At the previous slide, as a honey, substance, bees, flower, nectar, taste, thousand-year medicine content compounds. The part or kata kerja is produced has been used. Adjective, kata sifat, natural, sweet, traditional, rich, beneficial, bioactive. Pronoun or kata ganti, it's preposition or menyatakan hubungan by, from, beyond, for, of, in, due to, conjunction or kata berhubung due to. This is the part of speech about pronoun. Pronoun or kata ganti. In English, a word that replaces a noun to avoid repetition. In Indonesia, kata yang menggantikan kata benda agar tidak diulang. For example, he, she, it, they, this, that, one, its. This is the part of speech. At the previous slide, substance, bees, flower, nectar. The meaning is refers to a material or compound. Bees is insect that produce honey, or plural noun. Flower, search of nectar collected by bees. Nectar, sweet liquid from flowers gathered by bees. Taste or sensasi yang dirasakan di lidah juga bisa abstrak. In English, a sensation perceived by the tongue can also be abstract. Medicine in Indo, zat yang digunakan untuk penyembuhan. In English, a substance used for healing. This is the next slide about contained substance or active compounds. Honey have some bioactive compounds like flavonoids and polyphenol. These are antioxidants that combat free radicals. Flavonoids such as phenylephrine, glycine, and galangin possess anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and anti-cancer properties. Enzymes, glucose oxidase, invertase, each counter. This is the part of speech. Based on this paragraph, flavonoids and polyphenols. These are antioxidants that combat free radicals. Flavonoids such as phenocembrin, glycine, and galangin possess anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and anti-cancer properties. The noun is flavonoids, polyphenol, antioxidant, radicals, phenocembrin, glycine, galangin, and properties. Part of speech in verbs combat possess adjective pre-pronouns that prepositions such as and conjunction such and. Okay, this is the part of speech based on this paragraph. Enzymes or glucose oxidase invertase each counter. Glucose oxidase helps generate hydrogen peroxide and natural antiseptic that kill microbes. Noun enzymes glucose oxidase is invertase hydrogen peroxide and antiseptic microbes. The verb helps generate kill adjective natural pronouns that. This is the part of speech about verb or kata kerja. In English, a word that shows action or state of being. In Indonesia, kata yang menyatakan tindakan atau keadaan. For example, run is helps, it supports, heals, combat, and possess. The meaning in paragraph. This is the flavonoid in Indonesia, antioksidan alami yang ditemukan di dalam madu atau tanaman. In English, a natural antioxidant found in honey and plants. Polyphenol, antioksidan kuat yang membentuk melindungi sel-sel tubuh. In English, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the body's cell. Radicals, in Indonesia, molekul tidak stabil yang dapat merusak sel. In English, a compound in honey that has antibacterial properties. This is the noun of galangin, meaning in Indonesia, zat alami dengan sifat anti kanker dan antibakteri. In English, a natural compound with anti-cancer and antibacterial properties. This is the meaning. The next meaning about enzyme. Meaning Indonesia, protein yang mempercepat reaksi kimia dalam tubuh atau madu. In English, protein that speeds up chemical reaction in the body or in honey. Invertase, enzim yang memecah sukrosa or gula menjadi glukosa dan fruktosa. An enzyme that breaks down sucrose or sugar into glucose and fructose. This is about contain substance active compounds. The next bioactive compounds in honey. The third, phenolic acid. These compounds have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, protecting body tissue from oxidative damage. The fourth, vitamin and mineral. Honey contains vitamin C, B2 or riboflavin, and small amounts of magnesium and iron. This is the part of speech. Noun, compounds, effect, body, tissue, damage, honey, vitamin C, B2, B3, B5, amounts, mineral, calcium, magnesium, and iron. In the verbs, have protecting contents, adjective, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, oxidative, small. In pronouns, des, conjunction, and preposition from oblige. This is part of speech about adjective. Adjective or kata sifat. In English, a word that describes or modifies a noun. In Indonesia, kata yang menjelaskan atau memberi sifat pada benda. For example, natural, sweet, healthy, small, and powerful. This is the meaning. Compounds. The noun is compounds. The meaning in Indonesia, gabungan dua atau lebih zat kimia. In English, a combination of two or more chemical substances. The noun effect. The meaning Indonesia, dampak atau hasil dari suatu proses atau zat. In English, the result of or impact of a process or substance. The noun body. Meaning in Indonesia, struktur fisik manusia atau hewan. In English, the physical structure of human and animal. Okay, this is the noun from B2. And in Indonesia, vitamin yang berperan dalam produksi energi. In English, a vitamin that plays a role in energy production. This is the contain substance or active compounds, bioactive compounds in honey. For in the five organic acid that help maintain pH balance and have antimicrobial effects. In the part of speech, noun pH balance effects. Verb help maintain health, adjective antimicrobial pronoun des conjunction and. In the part of speech about conjunction, conjunction or kata sambung. In English, a word that connect word, phrases or clauses. In Indonesia, kata yang menghubungkan kata frasa atau klausa, for example, and, but, or because, although. This is the meaning about noun pH. pH in Indonesia, ukuran tingkat keasaman atau kebasaan suatu zat. In English, the measure of acidity or alkalinity of a substance. This is part of health benefit of honey. Honey has many natural benefits thanks to its content of bioactive compounds such as antioxidant, enzyme, vitamin, and minerals. Below are the main scientifically proven health benefits of honey. This is the part of speech. Noun is honey benefit content compound, antioxidant, enzyme, vitamins, mineral, and health. The verbs has are proven, adjective, natural. Adverbs below pronouns it, profession of, thank to, such as, and conjunction and. Part of speech are about preposition. Preposition or kata depan. In English, a word that shows the relation, a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other word. Kata yang menunjukkan hubungan antara kata benda atau kata ganti dengan kata lainnya. For example, in one of the with, under, from, such as, and thank. This is the meaning. Noun content meaning Indonesia apa yang terdapat di dalam suatu zat atau komposisi. In English, what is contained within something. Health benefits of honey. The first, boosts the immune system. Honey contains flavonoid and polyphenol that act as antioxidant, helps the body fight disease-causing free radicals. 2. Soothes cough and sore throat. The thick texture of honey coats the throat and reduces irritation. Part of speech noun, honey, flavonoid, polyphenol. Verbs contain adjective disease, adverb especially pronoun that, preposition as, and conjunction and. Part of speech about adverb. Adverb or kata keterangan. In English, a word that describe a verb, adjective, or another of. Indonesia, kata yang menjelaskan kata kerja, kata sifat, atau kata keterangan lainnya. For example, quickly, especially, easily, very, always. This is the meaning, texture, meaning Indonesia, rasa atau permukaan fisik suatu zat, misalnya kekentalan madu. In English, the taste or physical surface a substance such as the thickness or consistency of honey. Health benefits of honey. 3. Support wound and burn healing. Honey has natural antibacterial properties, contains hydrogen peroxide, used typically to speed up the healing of minor wounds. 4. Maintains digestive health. Its natural probiotic content support. Part of speech noun 1. Burn healing properties hydrogen peroxide content growth gut bacteria probiotic issue constipation stomach and infection. This is the meaning healing or proses pemulihan luka atau jaringan tubuh. In English, the process of restoring or repairing one or body issue. Noun as a blood sugar levels index amount. Verbs regulate has can. Adjective sweet lower. Adverbs with caution. pronoun its. Okay, the next slide. This is the meaning. Blood, cairan dalam tubuh yang membawa oksigen dan nutrisi. In English, the fluid in the body that carries oxygen and nutrients. Promotes skin health and anti-aging. Its antioxidant help prevent skin damage from UV rays and pollution. Commonly used in facial masks to keep skin moisturized. This is part of speech. Noun, risk infection, growth microbes, against skin damage, rise pollution, facial mask. The verbs reduce, inhibit, serve, promote, help, prevent, use, keep. This is the meaning. Risk or kemungkinan terjadinya sesuatu yang merugikan atau berbahaya. In English, the possible of something harmful or dangerous happening. Again, zat atau komponen yang menyebabkan atau membantu suatu efek. In English, a substance or component that causes or contributes to an effect. This is part of use or application. As food, added to tea, yogurt, toast, or used as a sugar substitute. As medicine used in wound dressing, cold relief, and digestive treatments. As skincare applied in face masks and moisturizer due to its hydrating and anti-aging. This is part of speech. Noun, tea, yogurt, toast, sugar, substitute, wound dressing, cold relief, treatment, face mask, and moisturizer properties. The meaning, tea, minuman dari daun teh, a drink made from tea leaves, yogurt, produk susu yang fermentasi yang kental dan asam, in English, a thick, sour, fermented dairy product. The conclusion is, believe it or not, honey is not only a natural sweetener but also a powerful functional food with healing properties. When consumed in moderation, especially raw or unprocessed honey, it can contribute significantly to a healthier lifestyle. Honey is more than a sweetener, it is a natural medicine thanks to its rich content of antioxidant and antibacterial compounds. Honey supports immunity, heals the body, and promotes overall health. However, be consumed wisely and never give to infant under 1 year. This is the part of speech about interjection. Interjection or kata seru. A word or short phrase that expresses strong emotion or action. Indonesia, kata atau frasa pendek yang menyatakan emosi secara spontan. So example, wow, oh, hey, you believe it or not. This is the part of speech. Noun, swearer, food, properties, moderation, lifestyle, medicine, content, compounds, immunity, body, health, infant, and year. This is the meaning. Sweetener zat yang digunakan untuk memberikan rasa manis. In English, substance used to provide a sweet taste. This is my reference. Okay. Do you have any question? Okay, the part of speech. Pronoun you, verb have, noun question. Okay, my presentation is finished. Thank you for your attention, and I want to say sorry if my first pronunciation or my grammar is not good. See you.